this is perfect gift in Valentine's Day. This is a Japanese culture. We prepare chocolate for your sweetie in Valentine's Day.
You use this recipe, right, for your friandise?
Yes. But this recipe is easiest recipe. First, I'd like to introduce ingredients. Matcha powder 10 grams, white chocolate 250 grams, and cream 100 grams, 35% fat. First, I need to melt chocolate. Boiling water. Pop.
So you're gonna melt it au bain-marie?
Yes, exactly. And temperature have to be under 60. I recommend around 55 degrees.
So do we need a thermometer?
Yes, if you have, of course, it's easier. But if you don't have it, don't worry. I have a special trick. Around 55 to 60 degrees, you will find small bubbles on the bottom. Same time, you will see small steam. Yes, this is now 55 degrees. That's white chocolate. So now, you need to prepare a container. We professionally use this kind of container. It's difficult to find it for you guys. So today I will use milk pack. I just cut it half. Then you need to cut the baking paper. I recommend to hold with clip. Okay, now chocolate is started to melt. You have to carefully handle. No water in the chocolate. It's very important. Mix it. Yes. Now need to prepare matcha powder. This matcha powder is very difficult to dissolve. You have to mix it little by little.
Matcha powder is finely ground green tea made from shade-grown leaves. It has a bright green color and a rich, slightly sweet umami flavor. First, the leaves are steamed, dried, and the stems are removed, leaving only the soft leaves. Then, eventually, the dried leaves are ground into a fine powder ready to use.
It's almost here. Smells good one. Outside. Yeah, you just have to keep temperature. Yes, leave it on the side. You need to heat this up with low fire. So have to be around the same degrees. This one have to be around 50 degrees or higher. When it's warm, getting thinner.
A little bit more liquid.
Yes, exactly. A little bit more liquid now. And you can slowly see steam again. Yes, you can put the matcha cream.
At first, it might seem like the matcha cream and white chocolate may not combine, but don't worry, just keep stirring, they'll come together perfectly.
So chocolate is getting cold now. That means getting harder. You need to heat it up a little bit. This depends on room temperature. Well, for summertime, 35 degrees. Chocolate is still
Melted,
Yeah.
liquid.
Winter time. You have to heat it up again.
Like now.
Yes, exactly.
Because it's February.
February.
It's
Yes.
Valentine's Day.
Yes, exactly.
In the Netherlands.
Yeah, today is 0 degree outside.
少し寒いです。
yeah, 少し寒いです。Yes. Can you see it? It's more liquid now. Make sure no water inside.
First, quickly scrape the matcha chocolate mixture to one side of the bowl, preparing it to transfer to your container. The pouring needs to be fast as it cools the mixture down and causes it to harden.
Then I have to make it flat.
Take any bubbles out.
Yeah, exactly. Also make it flat. Maybe a few more clip on the side. Yeah, you can see big bubbles. If you don't like, you can. Anyway, you don't see surface anymore. Turn lard or we put the matcha powder on top. Normally I cut it next day, leave it one night. Yes, next day I'm going to cut chocolate. Of course you have to take clip first.
Oh, very smooth.
Yeah, and I think bottom side on top is more beautiful. But anyway, I'm going to put the matcha powder. You don't see it. Yeah, I recommend to use long knife, longer than chocolate. Knife have to be warm. First divide for 3. Hop! Every time you have to clean your knife.
Heating your knife in hot water is crucial. It allows it to glide easily through the firm matcha chocolate, giving you a clean cut every time. Just be sure to dry your knife before you start cutting.
If you don't clean knife,
The edges.
it's gonna be like this.
Now, dust the matcha chocolate with matcha powder, making sure to use a sieve for an even coating.
So this is already beautiful, but if you wanna put more decoration, easy way, just put powdered sugar. Itadakimasu.
It seriously just melts in your mouth. Beautiful. Seriously stunning.
じゃあねー。